Hello, this is Imran, and in this video I am going to be showing you how to create a YouTube ad sales page and funnel and set it all up. It's very similar to how you set up your landing page, but basically what we want to do here is if you're going to do YouTube, if you're going to create your own YouTube ads campaign, you want to have a separate sales page for the YouTube ads. So that's what we're going to set up here. So you would log into your WordPress admin. This is my own WordPress admin. And you would go to pages. Now, just to let you know, I already have my sales page YouTube ads in there. But what I'm going to do for the sake of this demonstration is I'm going to set up another one so that you can see exactly what to do and so that you can copy it. But I'm going to set it up as a demo. You don't need to set up as a demo. You're just going to call it as a HTML sales page YouTube ads. So what we're going to do is go to Add New. And I'm going to call this HTML sales page YouTube ad. And just for this purposes, you don't add this. This is just so I know to differentiate it from my actual YouTube's ad sales page. I'm just going to put a demo, but you don't put demo. Okay. And all you do is, like the rest, you just go down to the bottom, hide your page title and turn off breadcrumbs and click on Save Draft. Okay, now once that's saved, launch Thrive Architect and it will open up as we did with the landing page, it will open up a a default landing page. Now, what you will find is if I haven't done it already, I'll be sending you the sales page file. So chances are I would have sent it to you with this video, but if you haven't got it, let me know and I will send it to you. And then once you get that file, all we do is go to Settings, Import Landing Page, click OK. And then we would be looking for where are we? We'll be looking for the landing page. So it's called the HTML thank you, but just so to make this easier for you, so imagine all this wasn't here, what you would do is you go to Upload Files, go to Select Files, click on it, let it load up. So you would be getting this from your downloads from your computer. Remember where you've left it on your computer. So I'm going to go to Quick Access. And I am looking for special report. No. Okay, so it's not in there, so it's in my downloads. It's been a while since I've uploaded that file. So here it is, the TVE-LP-HM thank you. So you click on once on that, click on Open, and then it will load up. So I already have it here, and it's actually a second one. So all you do is just click on Import once it's selected. Wait for it to load up. So once it's loaded up, we want to make sure that this page is everything is okay. So just check it, check everything, make sure it's all in line. So it is there. It's got the copyright my HTML business. That's all fine. You can change the my HTML business to your domain name, or you can just leave it like that. But what you do need to do is change or add where this, when someone clicks on this button, where it's going to go to. Now this button is going to take them to the straight to the order form, because when they watch this video, they've got 22 minutes to buy the front end offer. So what you're going to do, if you remember in the previous when you were setting up your other landing page, now if you haven't got this, then obviously let me know and I'll show you how to do this. But in the other previous videos, we set up our links in Pretty Links. So you go to Pretty Links, and all we are looking for is we are looking for the HTML order form. Okay, so that's this one here. So I would have got you to set this up as the order form, because it just, this one takes the customer direct to the order form to make the sale. So what we do is copy the URL, which is here, or you can edit in and get the URL from inside, but it's just easier just to get it from here. And then we're going to go back to the thank you page. So this is going to be your custom page, and so this is that you've got full control of what you can do with this page now. And what you want to do is just take your mouse to this orange button, but you don't want to click on the inside of the button. You want to click on the outside orange border of the button. So you see the arrow, you click on there, and it's going to give you a different set of options. Now, what we want is we want to suggest to this button, when someone clicks on it, where we want it to go. Currently, it's not going anywhere. So what we want to do is set up a target URL. So you come back down here where it says paste URL, type in to search. You just paste the HTML. So this is saying it's going to go to the HTML order form. When they click on this button and submit, it's going to take them straight to the order form. And then all you do is click on open in new tab. There you go. So that's selected there, and you just hit save. Sorry, let me get that out of the way. So all I did was save now, and it saved it. The next thing you want to do is you want to check. So in terms of adding anything to the link, that's all you want to do. So when this pop-up comes up, after the countdown is finished, then once you've put in this URL, it will direct to that destination on the over there, which will be the order form, which will take them to the DBS, the front-end offer. Now, once you've done that and you saved it, you want to go through each form. So over here, we've got the desktop, over here, we've got a tablet version, and we've got the phone version. And you want to click on the tablet version and just make sure everything is in line and in order, so everything seems okay. So as you can see here, a few things have been moved around. So I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but basically what you want to do is you want to click on there, and you would want to, not that one, you want to click on the button. So make sure you've got the button, you've clicked on the actual button, and then you can do layout and position, and then you can drag that up there just a bit down, and then move it across. just to straighten it out. There, so I'm just going to do it roughly, but just so that you get the idea. Okay, mine's a bit jumpy at the moment. I think I've got too many applications open, so it's not really important. But you get the idea, and then you get the terms of use. Same thing. Make sure you got if you click into it, it's going to click into the text part. You want the button part, so it takes a whole button, and then make sure you go out layout and position, and then this allows you just to move it over and then do the same with the privacy policy, and you just tidy up. Same with this bit, trying not to keep too much white space in between, but don't worry too much about it. It's as long as the main page is okay. Now with this here, sorry, let me get rid of that. You'll see where it says no menu items have been found, and this part, don't worry too much about this. I'll create another video showing you how to delete all that. But for now, just leave it for now. And then the next thing we're going to do is go into mobile, and you do literally exactly the same. So, you might want to move this a bit up, this part a bit up, so you can just there where it says the items have been found. For some reason, it doesn't delete, so I need to find out another way of getting rid of that, but I'll get back to you on that, and I'll create another video. But yes, ultimately you just want to go down. As you can see, this is up here, you want to bring it down there, and likewise maybe clear out all this white space, and then straighten out all these parts here. If you can't see all the other parts, what you can do, so for example, you've got a disclaimer here, click on the button. What you can do is just go back to desktop, and it shows you what's been selected. Okay, so then if you wanted terms of use, click on terms of use, and then go back to mobile, and then click on button, which will give you the layout position, and then that should bring it back. I say that. What you would have to do, there we go, there you go. It's brought it back, and then just bring it up. And same thing, you would tidy it up and do the same with all the others. So that's what you want to do. If you can't see it on the mobile version, go back to the desktop version, click on the privacy policy, maybe click on the button section here, go to your mobile version here, and then start moving it across and try and find out where it is and bring it all and tidy it all up. So that's what you want to do with that, okay? And then once you've done all that, you just do save work and exit. Okay, so this is your sales page. You can close that. Don't think that we need that. Actually, you can leave it open for now. Next thing we're going to do is just go back and go back to your pages. And so demo. So currently it's a draft. Don't forget, once you're happy with it, once everything is set up, you then want to publish it. But what you'll find before you do that, you just might need to edit the title of it. Okay, and then click. I'm just going to save draft there. But before I do all that, what I'm going to do is then go into my Aweber account and log in. Okay, and then go to sign up forms. Okay, and I'm going to go into my HCM opt-in form. Okay, so this is the form that I've set up previously. On this part, you just go to step 2. Now, where it says thank you page, so before we put, or actually before we had the thank you page. So I'll show you which thank you page. If you remember correctly in the previous video, we had, if we go to pretty links, when we were setting up, when we were connecting your Aweber account to, when you're setting up your pretty link, your Aweber to your landing page, we initially put the thank you video. But now we want to put, let's go back. Anyway, so coming back here, come back to sign up form. So instead of having the thank you page, which is what we had before, you want to replace the thank you page and put the sales page. So what we would do is go to pages. Okay, so you want to preview this. Actually, before previewing it, we want to, let's not make it a draft. Update. So we want to turn it into published. Click on update. Okay, and then if we go to this demo one here, and then go to view, then that will give you the link at the top. Once you just highlight the whole link, copy it, go back to your sign up form in Aweber, and then you, as you can see, I've done it here already. You'll just highlight that and then pasted it. Okay, so you just highlight that and then paste. Okay, I'm not going to do it here because I've already got it and everything's set up. And then you do the same with the custom page. So this would be what would say here is a thank you page. If it doesn't say the thank you page, then just carry on as we are, as what I have done before, and put this page here and then save your form. Once you saved your form, you just go to step 3. Oh, it's telling me to go back. I don't know why it's telling me to go back. I never actually changed anything. Let me just double check. I'll just save it anyway. Okay, and now when you go here to install your form, you're going to go to raw HTML. And then click on here. No, we might need to make sure that you've got the right, yep, that's it. So in here, you've got the sales page, YouTube ads, which is what you've just added in there. So make sure that's there. And then as you did before, what you do is you go highlight form, whoops, slow it down a bit, and you're looking for form again, which is here. And then you'll copy this. And then you will go to, sorry, not here. Let's go back to dashboard, actually, so we don't confuse ourselves. Let's close that one. Go back to pages. And you go to special report, edit with Thrive Architect. Okay, go down to the button. Here. And again, same thing. Sorry, no. Sorry, wrong place. Don't want to go there. We want to go to Thrive Leads. And then HTM Business. So this is the actual opt-in form that we created from the landing page. Go to the submit button, and where it says make sure it's got, once you click on the bottom, it says, it gives you this form here. And if you will see here, this might have, so this is the form. You want to replace this bit here, which says form to form. Now, I've probably already done this one, if I remember correctly. Yes, look, this is where it says imrangite.htm sales page, YouTube ad. So ultimately, what you want to do is you want to highlight all, select all, and then paste over it. I'm not going to do it because it's already there and already set up for my page. Once you've done that, you just generate form. Make sure you generate form after you've done that. Make sure it says your name or domain name and HTML sales page, so it's the same code as here. And then you save work. Okay, I hope that makes sense. And then once you've done that, you just close that. I'm going to close that because I don't need that. And I don't need that as well, so I'm going to close that, go back to my lightbox, and that's it. So what you might want to do, or so what I did with my pretty links, is for when I set up the YouTube campaign, I set up a link, a pretty link to place in the description part of the YouTube channel. So if I click on this, you'll see, so it just says target URL is my domain name, which says free HTML report, and as I've just put a note there for myself, this link is to go into the description part of your YouTube channel. So this, again, I can track when people come check on the video on YouTube and they click on it, this will track and I'll know how many clicks I'm getting. I hope that makes sense. I know it can seem a little bit complicated. If you do have any issues, let me know. Otherwise, once you've done this, again, let me know, and we'll move on to the next step. The next step after this is setting up your Google tags, which you'll be able to watch in the YouTube 14-step execution plan that is in your members area. So you'll be able to watch that there. But if you have any troubles, let me know and I will aim to help you out. Take care and speak soon. Bye.